Are you tired of searching for the HubSpot connector in Gmail and Google Calendar? In 6 simple clicks, you can have it installed and working. Let me walk you through the exact steps to install it from the Settings menu. It's quick and easy. Start by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner to open the Settings menu. Then, from the Settings dropdown, go ahead and select Get Add-ons to browse available integrations. In the Google Workspace Marketplace, type HubSpot into the search bar to find the connector. Once you spot the HubSpot for Gmail add-on, click the Install button to begin the installation. A permissions dialog will appear. Review what it requests, then click Continue to proceed. After the installation finishes, click Done to wrap up. You're all set to use HubSpot with Gmail. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.